Hello, welcome to another hacky tip video. Today we're going to show you how to make a windscreen or dead mouse that can be used for a lavalier microphone or any type of small microphone, even a larger one maybe, depending on the size of the stuffed animal that you're going to be using. This is the MV88 Shure microphone. I'm going to show you how to do this. And this is the stuffed animal that we're going to be using. I know it's kind of sad. He's part of the Fuzzy Friends, and I got him at Dollar Tree for $1.25. You see what happened? We cut off both of his legs, and I'm going to use him for a windscreen. And when you do this, try to do it the largest way possible. You can see this is a little bit larger, and that works better. This one did not work that great because I cut it a little bit small. So the larger you open up the cut, the better. The bigger the windscreen is going to be. So let me show you how this works. This is the Shure MV88, and it's easier if we just take off the windscreen that comes with it. You can always put it just on top of the microphone, but I like to have the double windscreen. We're going to put the one that we just made over the Shure, the original foam windscreen. You see it has plenty of fabric to cover up any holes there, and just put it inside. Make sure it doesn't need anything to, because it's pretty tight, it doesn't need anything to make it firm, or I guess you could put Velcro or anything, but it doesn't seem to come out. So it seems to work fine. It has plenty of fabric, and just a matter of testing it. I'm gonna go outdoors so you can listen to this windscreen or dead mouse and compare it to the microphone without it. Okay, here we are outdoors, and you can see that there's a little breeze. I think the weather app on my phone was saying that the wind is going to be about 12 miles per hour. And we're testing the microphone without anything at all. It doesn't have a windscreen, and then it doesn't have the dead mouse. So it's just the plain microphone on the tablet. So you can have an idea of what it sounds like. And we're going to switch. Now we're going to put the dead mouse without anything else, just the dead mouse on top of the microphone. Just bear with me. I'm going to put it right on top of the microphone. And now you're listening to the Shure microphone with only the dead mouse on it. And that's all you're listening to, the dead mouse directly on the Shure microphone. Now we're going to test both of them. We're going to put the foam, actually we're going to try it with the foam. Now it only has the foam on it. So this is the foam windscreen that comes with the Shure microphone, and the breeze is pretty intense here, and that's all you're listening to, the foam directly on the microphone. Now we're going to put the foam and the dead mouse. Just bear with me. I'm going to take it out. Now this is the foam the foam windscreen on the mic, and also the dead mouse on top of the foam. Foam windscreen on the mic, the Shure mic, with the dead mouse on top. So this just to give you an idea what it sounds like. in case it sounds good, well, that's great that with $1.25 you can get a dead mouse without having to spend $30-40. Some of them are a little cheaper, but the original dead mouse for this microphone I think is around $30-40, the more expensive professional one. So this is a cheap alternative if it works. So you tell me, comment in the section below, tell me if it's good enough for you, and let me know if this is a good alternative, or if you have any other ideas of how to do this in a least expensive way or a different way. Comment in the section below. So thanks for watching. Subscribe. See you next time. Have a good day. Bye.